All right. I think it's time for another hard pivot, right? And we're doing, what is this? It's the show right before Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do some server-side snacks and do PDQ chopped.
Okay,
Right.
so quickly, I'll explain how this works. A lot of times, IT people very, very busy. You don't have time to, pre-prepare things. You may be on your way driving to Thanksgiving and suddenly realize, oh crap, I have to bring something. So we are providing you ingredients that you could find at just a local convenience store or whatever. So Josh, Tara, and Christa, you all have access to the same ingredients, and what you have to do, you have to either make a main course, an appetizer, or a dessert. We're going to judge you on presentation and taste.
I'm so scared.
Who's tasting this?
Who's tasting it?
Not me.
Well, it depends on who's going to taste this. What
goodness.
direction I take this.
I need to know my audience. Speaking of interpersonal skills,
Yeah.
tell us who the judge will
I
be.
like sugar.
Okay.
What? That's brand new
So
information.
Drew is.
I don't think I'm tasting this.
Drew's the taster.
I'm way too busy back here.
Okay, Drew can't do it.
If it's sugar, he's tasting it. Oh my
Voila.
gosh.
No. This is like a terrifying school There's spam on this table. Why would you do that to
Oh,
us?
because it's a tradition.
It's turkey spam.
Oh my
Turkey
gosh.
spam, bacon spam. You've got cheese, marshmallows,
Incredible.
pie crust,
Incredible.
whipped cream, pumpkin. If you want that,
Can you open my pumpkin, Kelly?
I'll let Josh.
Huh.
Okay.
Oh, the wheels are turning.
Oh, and you've got Slim
No.
Jims.
All right, the wheels are turning. All right, we got this.
All right, we're going to give you probably about 4.5 minutes, maybe less. How many do you think? 3.5 minutes? We don't have
Let's
much.
do 4.
4 minutes?
4 minutes.
You got 4 minutes.
Are we
starting
making
now.
one thing?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we
make
have
one
okay.
entry.
All right.
Well, no, you each make one thing. You just decide what you want to make.
Dibs
I know
on
what I'm
pie
making.
shell.
On your mark,
Set.
get set, go. Ooh,
You can talk to
Josh was going for the Rice Krispie treats. Ooh, look at that. They're splitting up the whipped cream, going for Oreos on Tara's side. Whoops,
right.
hang on here.
This
Yeah.
is the commentary.
So am I supposed to be talking through my decision making here?
Yeah,
we can commentate.
we can
All right.
oh yes, this is the diabetes round.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Marshmallows.
Yeah, you got the marshmallows. In fact, I know what I'd be making.
Oh, would you?
I do. I'd be I already planned this out, but I don't want to give them any any clues.
No hints.
No hints.
Did anyone use the spam?
No.
No.
No, absolutely
Okay,
not.
so here's the thing. That the reason the spam was key is
I might actually eat
twofold.
this.
One, we have done spam cooking Thanksgiving for many years here.
Mm-hmm.
You can actually make a main dish with that spam. You take that spam out of the can. It's turkey spam. Take the Slim Jims, stick them in there for turkey legs, and voila, you have a main dish.
That's an easy answer right
That's
there.
right, man. That one is quick and it's easy, not expensive, minimal prep time.
Those of you who are listening to the chat, you guys should definitely check that out this Thanksgiving if you're not a big chef.
I mean, I hear the whipped cream going.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Thanks, Brandon.
For those of you guys joining in, we are doing a server-side snacks, which Thanksgiving edition, where we have our contestants trying to make a one of 3 courses, a main dish, a side, or a dessert. Is that correct?
Yeah. You can do main, dessert, or a kind of an appetizer type thing.
With ingredients from a local convenience store.
Yeah, it makes it easy because, you don't have time to worry about making something extravagant for Thanksgiving. And let's be honest, you're going to your in-laws. Do you really want to put in that effort for
This
your
was my
in-laws?
college diet. Way
Exactly.
to go.
So you can pick these ingredients up on your way to
Oh, we have our
Thanksgiving.
first. We have our,
look at that.
I'm not saying it's excellent. I am saying it's done.
All right, Christa, describe what you have created.
This is.
You still got like a minute and 45 seconds, the rest of you.
You know what? I am gonna add some fruit. Hold on.
okay.
Oh, okay. She's going to pretty it up a
gonna
little
retcon.
bit. We are going to judge them on presentation and taste because, look, it's got to look appealing for Thanksgiving, right? Or you can't get that Norman Rockwell type photo. So it's got to look good. And, very nice use of berries there, Christa. I'm impressed. Well done. Well done. I can't see what Tara's been working on, but she's seriously going in. She's concentrating hard.
She's building under the table.
I know,
on
it's like
purpose.
in hiding.
And Josh is being
I'm
very...
done.
Oh,
It's done.
Look at
Whoa.
that.
It's done.
Okay.
All right, hold on to it.
All right.
It's melting.
How much time does Tara have?
It is melting now.
Tara still has 40 seconds.
She wins on
40
presentation.
Seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my
Why did I
berries are
even
falling
try?
off. Oh well.
All right. So let's start. Christa, you were done first.
I can't hear them
technically.
because I can't. My mic. I'm in my trapped seat. Darn it.
This is a marshmallow pie.
Okay. Marshmallow pie. Ingredients real quick. Marshmallow, obviously.
Marshmallows, chocolate pudding, to add substance, heft to it, if you will.
Yeah.
An artisanal border of Oreos. A structurally unsound tower of whipped topping that has already collapsed. Maybe save that till you arrive at your in-laws. And then some decorative berries around the top.
That's
So,
beautiful.
This is what I got.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Josh, what do you have?
Ooh, so I have a puffed rice and marshmallow square
Stop the vocabulary for this.
covered with a chocolate hazelnut spread, followed by a whipped cream and winter berries.
I want you to call it a
Winter
dairy
berries.
emulsion.
Ooh,
There's no
A
emulsion.
foam, if you will.
there wasn't enough time nor the equipment.
That's
It
impressive.
doesn't have to be that. You can just call it that.
Someone do a whip it. Oh boy.
All right, Tara, what do you have?
Are you
my college
effing
diet.
kidding me? She said artisanal, and he said a bunch of words I don't even know what they mean.
But yours is symmetrical. You have that going for you.
I'm just gonna say I have an Oreo pie because Oreos are good, yo. That's what I'm gonna say.
You got something stuck in there. What is that?
I can't hear him because my earpiece came out.
What did you
What-
put
what
in?
is-
What are the sticks?
They're little sticks. I don't know. I
But they're
clearly
decorative.
don't watch the shows that these guys watch.
They're from the Nutella. They're from the Nutella
Oh, the
dipsticks.
Nutella sticks.
Oh, okay.
All right, Drew, do you want to go out and
Yep.
taste
Yep.
these things? See, and crown our
The
winner?
most sugar will be in mine.
Yeah.
The most sugar per bite.
So,
Oh, it might be.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might win on the
You'll be-
sugar per bite there.
I
I
have
know my
pudding.
audience.
It's Drew, the qualified person to do
Oreos,
this test.
pudding,
I mean,
whipped
yes.
cream.
I don't know. He eats bottle caps, so
He
maybe
does.
not.
You guys, there's
He
a
does.
trophy. There's a trophy involved in this.
you're going to
I'm so
have,
excited.
Dun,
Drew, you're getting type 1 and type 2 diabetes.
Yeah.
today.
I'm going to start here because I feel like I can handle this.
Okay.
Oh, he's actually gonna try these?
Of course he's going to try it.
What'd you call it? Winterberry?
Winterberry.
Winterberry
gosh.
crisp. How is it? He's like, it's about what you figured.
I mean, it's a lot of sugar. It's a mouthful.
There is, in fact, a spoon over there. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Pinky up, Drew. Rachel says pinky up.
he's not even. He's not even
berries.
done with the
Just
first
berries.
hit.
Oh my gosh, he's putting his. Okay.
Don't even
Oh,
look at
no.
it. Don't think about it.
I can't. Oh no. Okay.
that is
Oh,
a
my
enormous
gosh.
amount of sugar.
Drew
That's
pre-gamed.
breakfast.
He's good to go.
Breakfast
Pre-game,
for-
did he like run
Oh.
laps in the gym?
No, he ate bottle caps.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. There you go. 2 down.
Wait,
gonna
what is
come
in the
back.
bottom of yours?
Pudding.
I think it's interesting that
So
you,
much pudding.
Pudding, Oreos, whipped cream. Can you go wrong with that? I don't think so. I don't know.
Sure.
All right.
Did you have Josh's?
I did.
Yeah,
My-
he,
my
he-
was
he
first.
started
ate
there.
like the whole thing in one bite.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can use a napkin. My
Drew.
beard is holding most of it.
The flavor
But
saver.
here's the winners. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, got to get the headphones on.
Yeah, so I can hear what you guys are saying.
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed the layered ability of Josh's
Square.
puffed rice patties, whatever you call that.
Yep.
Yep, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the symmetrical and then the tower height of Christa's, but for flavor and simplicity, I vote for Tara.
No! Boo! How dare you?
An Oreo with a stick in it.
It was delicious. You can go ahead and hand her that trophy right now.
I'm not a sore
No.
loser
Give
at
it to
all.
me.
I think
Give it to me. Give me the trophy. Yes.
I'm buying you
yes.
gift cards
It
to
should have been
Applebee's.
mine.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna sing to it. Oh yeah.
Well done.
Alrighty. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the show today and had fun with us as we, fooled around.
It was a delight.
For PDQ, I'm Josh.
I'm Tara. Thanks, Christa.
Always happy to be here.
Thanks for watching this segment from PDQ Live. If you like this, you'll love the full show. Check it out every Thursday at 10 a.m. Mountain. Oh, and like and subscribe, please.